Hey everyone, stay with me for the next few minutes because this matters more than most people realize. Right now, the Social Security Administration is rolling out 5 new rules and enforcement changes, and many seniors still don't know how these changes could affect their checks, their eligibility, or even their peace of mind. And before panic sets in, let me say this clearly. This is not clickbait, this is not internet rumor, and this is not meant to scare you. I've reviewed the official SSA guidance, policy updates, and enforcement clarifications so you don't have to dig through confusing government language. My job here is simple. Break it down clearly, explain who is affected and who is not, and help you avoid mistakes that could delay or reduce your benefits. If you receive Social Security retirement, SSI, SSDI, VA benefits, or live on a fixed income, this video is for you. Take a breath. Let's walk through this together. The 5 new Social Security rules. Rule number 1, stricter income verification, especially for SSI. The first major change involves income verification. The SSA is now placing stronger emphasis on real-time income reporting, particularly for SSI recipients. This includes part-time work, cash assistance from family, side income or gig work, changes in household income. Here's what's important to understand. This does not mean benefits are being cut automatically. It means delays or missing reports are now more likely to trigger temporary payment adjustments, requests for proof, or overpayment reviews. If you receive SSI, accuracy and timing matter more than ever. Rule number 2, living arrangement reviews are expanding. This rule has caught many seniors off guard. The SSA is increasing reviews around living arrangements, especially when someone moves in or out, you change housing, or you receive help with rent or utilities. Why does this matter? Because for SSI, where and how you live affects benefit calculations. Even help from family, if not reported correctly, can raise questions. Again, this is about verification, not punishment, but unreported changes can lead to delays. Rule number 3, overpayment enforcement is back on the table. This is one of the most serious updates. The SSA is now actively revisiting older overpayment cases, including ones from years ago. If you ever received a letter saying you were overpaid, even long ago, the SSA now has clearer authority to resume collection, adjust withholding amounts, or contact you for resolution. Important protection to remember. They cannot take your entire check. Hardship waivers exist, and you have appeal rights. Ignoring old letters is no longer safe. Preparation protects you. Rule number 4, account reviews can cause payment delays even if nothing is wrong. Many people assume delays mean loss of benefits. That's not true. Under these new rules, account reviews can temporarily slow processing if information is outdated, documents are missing, or verification is incomplete. This applies to Social Security retirement, SSDI, and SSI. Your eligibility may be unchanged, but processing can pause. That's why keeping your records current matters more than ever. Rule number 5, communication from SSA is no longer optional. This rule isn't written in bold letters, but it's critical. SSA is now relying more heavily on official letters, SSA messages, and requests for confirmation. Ignoring even a small request can result in payment holds, delays, or extra reviews. If SSA asks for something, respond. Silence is what creates problems. What has not changed? Important reassurance. Let's slow this down. What has not changed? Payment schedules, eligibility rules for most retirees, monthly benefit calculations. If you receive regular Social Security retirement and you're not working, your income hasn't changed, your living situation is stable, you are far less likely to be directly affected. But awareness still matters. What to do if your payment is late? If your check doesn't arrive on time, step 1, wait 3 business days. Delays happen due to banks, holidays, and batching. Step 2, check your bank or Direct Express account. Sometimes the issue isn't SSA. Step 3, review recent SSA letters or messages. Even small requests matter. Step 4, call SSA if needed. Ask directly if your account is under review. You have rights. Use them. Outro. Calm, reassurance, action. Let me speak to you honestly for a moment. Inflation has hit seniors hard. Rent is up, groceries cost more, medical bills keep rising. When you live on a fixed income, even a small delay feels overwhelming. If you felt stressed, worried, or exhausted, that doesn't mean you're failing. It means the system is complicated and you're doing your best. Here's your simple checklist. Log into your My SSA account, review your information, confirm direct deposit details, report recent changes, keep important documents ready, never ignore SSA mail, never give personal info to strangers. These rules are not catastrophic, but preparation is essential. Most benefits will continue, communication will increase, accuracy will matter more. And I promise you this, the moment anything changes, I'll be here, explaining it clearly, calmly, and honestly. You are not alone. You matter. Stay informed, not afraid. Let me know in the comments where you're watching from and whether these changes concern you. Subscribe so you don't miss updates, and share this with someone who needs it. I'll keep watching this so you don't have to.